It's time for the April Kimberbell Fill in the Blank project and design. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we do lots of videos on all types of sewing machines, and from our local retail store, Heirloom Creations in South Dakota. So we're excited to announce this month's project from Kimberbell, and it's the exclusive Amethyst Velveteen Zippered Bag Pouch. And it has the cute little design, little terrarium with vinyl over the top. I'm going to give you a few tips and show you a total of 3 projects that we did with this one design. So first off, the Kimberbell Fill in the Blank program works like this. Work with your local Kimberbell retailer, if they are a participating store, and purchase the blank item of the month. So that is this little zippered bag pouch. So first off, let me tell you about the pouches because they're really fun, is that they come completely flat, so super easy to embroider, and the lining and zipper are already partially stitched. Like after you do the embroidery, all you have to do is like stitch up the sides and voila, it's done. So no more hassle about zippers and lining and extra pieces and such. The step-by-step directions that you're going to get with the exclusive design when you purchase the blank. So the design will be emailed to you or possibly put on a USB stick at your local store, depending how they're set up. But one thing nice about the blank, so to get this design, you do need to buy the exclusive Amethyst Velveteen bag, but they have other colors and other sizes. So this particular size is considered a 7 by 10 inch bag. Now there's also some smaller sizes, a 6 by 8 inch bag, and they're all available in all these colors. So this one is like an olive green, we have a gray, there is a navy blue. Oh, this is so precious, kind of a very soft pale pink, the gold, and this color is just a happy color. It's kind of that nice, it's not really robin egg blue, but it has a little bit of the green in it. So while you're at the store picking up your exclusive zipper bag pouch, check out the other colors and support your local store. So vinyl, let's talk about vinyl. That's what gives it this super cute look, and Kimberbell has vinyl sheets ready to purchase. So when you buy these, they're like pre-packaged, so the vinyl doesn't stick to each other. Like you literally just pull out a section and then open up the bag and then cut what you need. So super easy. If you want to get adventurous, they do have a green or soft green vinyl colorway, and there's a couple different styles and colors in here, so you can see like a dark and to a light. And then we also have the pink purple collection of vinyl. So again, if you're picking up some vinyl, check out the other colors that Kimberbell actually has. So the little zipper pouch is going to be stitched up super fast. That was one thing nice about this project as it came out. But we always look ahead and see what else we could use this design for, and maybe even combine some other Kimberbell projects with the monthly design. So we took the exclusive design and decided to combine it with some of the Kimberbell pot holder or coaster designs that you've probably seen. Well, here's what I wanted. From the design, I wanted just this background piece to be blank, the border that's stitched and flipped, and the quilting. So what I did was I pulled this design into the machine, then I added today's design right on top of it, and then stitched out the parts that I wanted to stitch. So yes, I did have to do a little skipping around. You can size it for what you need it to be, and when you're done, you have a totally different look. Now, I'll put some links below this YouTube video if you're interested in any of the products that I'm showing you. So for the cute little cactus that you see in these parts, you can do them with the Kimberbell felt. I actually did glitter and leather in here. There's the white leather, I did the silver leather, the glitter sheets. So of course, if you've bought some of these items, those small little leftover pieces can be added in to appliques just like today's. We do use the sticky stabilizer So you can't really hoop the bag because it's got a lining and a zipper and there's all these other parts and pieces already prepped. So the Kimberbell sticky backed embroidery tearaway stabilizer is ideal, and you can get it in multiple sizes depending on which one fits your hoop the best. So I mentioned 3 projects. So we decided to go one step further. This is not a Kimberbell project, but it was something that we had in the store. And it's from one of our other companies, OESD, or Oklahoma Embroidery Supply and Design. And it's their garden flag. So again, a blank item. And so this is already pre-stitched along the sides, and it has a pre-stitched header for, say, that garden piece of metal that would come through, and then we enlarged the design, added the word welcome, and now we have the perfect garden flag for the spring coming up. Now, we decided not to do the vinyl. We just did kind of a sheer overlay on the top of that just to make it look like the design has that little bit of dimension. Of course, you could do some organza or something, but we decided just to not have vinyl be outside, which would probably be fine, but we chose otherwise. So I will put links below this YouTube video for as many things as I can find for you. Again, head to your local Kimberbell store. And if you're wanting to do some of these embroidery designs, but a little scared to get started because you haven't mastered your embroidery machine just yet, join me at one of our Embroidery Essentials online courses. That's a sample right behind me here, where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about your embroidery machine so you can tackle these fun projects as they come out all year long from Kimberbell. And I have one of my favorite Stitching Cosmos quilts also right behind me. So again, if you want to learn more about your sewing machine, all the decorative stitches, and all those fabulous presser feet, check out our Stitching Cosmos online course. And you can even watch free videos in these courses to see if the course is right for you. So if you need help, I would love to help you master your machine. Head to your local Kimberbell retailer for all these great products and this month's Fill in the Blank project.